In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic HTTPS rewrites in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what it does, and a few quick tips to make sure it works as expected. First, a quick overview. Automatic HTTPS rewrites is a Cloudflare feature that helps fix mixed content issues by rewriting links on your pages from HTTP to HTTPS when the secure version is available. Mixed content happens when your site loads securely over HTTPS, but some images, scripts, or style sheets still try to load over HTTP. That can lead to browser warnings and a missing padlock. Enabling this feature is a safe, one-click way to clean up many of those issues without changing your site's code. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard at dash.cloudflare.com. Once you're in, choose the website you want to configure from your list of domains. Make sure you select the correct site if you manage more than one. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click SSL TLS. Then open the Edge Certificates section. This area controls how Cloudflare handles secure connections to visitors' browsers and includes tools designed to reduce mixed content problems. Scroll through the Edge Certificates page until you find automatic HTTPS rewrites. If the page is long, you can use your browser's find function to search for the phrase and jump straight to it. When you see the automatic HTTPS rewrites option, switch the toggle to on. The change applies almost immediately. There's no separate save button or deployment required. From this point on, Cloudflare will try to upgrade HTTP links to HTTPS on the fly whenever the destination supports a secure connection. It won't alter your source code. It simply rewrites requests as they pass through Cloudflare, which helps keep your pages secure without breaking compatible resources. A few tips to verify everything is working smoothly. Refresh your site in a new browser tab and look for the secure lock icon. If you still see mixed content warnings in your browser's developer console, it may mean some third-party assets don't offer HTTPS. In those cases, you'll need to update those links manually or use alternative resources that support HTTPS. Also, if changes don't appear right away, clear your browser cache or consider purging the site's cache in Cloudflare to force fresh content. That's it. You've enabled automatic HTTPS rewrites in Cloudflare, helping your site serve more assets securely, reducing warnings, and improving trust and performance for your visitors.